It's a 2018 Audi Q5. This is a luxury crossover with incredible beauty and technology inside and out. And it comes with all the amenities you need. Auto shift manual transmission, gas pressurized shocks, integrated navigation system with voice activation, power heated mirrors, front heated leather bucket seats, configurable instrument gauges, Bluetooth streaming audio, auto dimming mirrors, dual zone climate control, auto dimming rear view mirror, and intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine. Edmunds.com notes it's easy to see why the Q5 has such a broad appeal, being a favorite pick for active singletons and small families alike. Audi doesn't follow trends, it sets them. If you've been waiting for the perfect time for a test drive, the time is now. Experience it today.
Thank you for looking at this quality pre-owned vehicle from Audi Cary, a Leith dealership. We're located at 600 Auto Park Boulevard in Cary, North Carolina.